Vertical line test. What is a vertical line test? Well, the vertical line test is a check to see if a graph or a relation is a function. What do you need to perform a vertical line test? Well, you need a graph of something or a relation plotted on a coordinate plane in order to check it. If you have a table or sets of ordered pairs, that's okay, but they need to be graphed before you can use the vertical line test. If you have a function already, such as y equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 6, you don't need to run the vertical line test to determine its function, because you should know that each input of x has only one possible output, so therefore it's a function. You will need to have an object with a straight edge that you can move over a coordinate plane, and you can use a pencil, you can use a ruler, or even the edge of a sheet of paper. And here we have our first relation we're going to check. We have this line that moves from left to right, and so we take this time a ruler and we move it from left to right. And how many times does it touch this line as we move it from left to right? Well, here we see that it only touches the graph once, no matter where we move it. Therefore, since it touched only once, we can say this relation passes the vertical line test and is therefore a function. There we have this sideways curve, and we're going to use a pencil, and we see the pencil touches the vertical line at one point here, and we move it farther to the right, and here we see the vertical line touches twice. Therefore, this graph of a curve fails vertical line test and is not a function. Okay, now we have these points. We're going to move a ruler this time, and we move it against the first point. We see that it only touches once. Check. Okay, this next one we see it touches only once. Check. This next one we see the vertical line touches only once. Check. This next one, the vertical line touches once. Check. Now here we have it touches twice and is therefore not a function. Two different outputs for the same input, not a function. Okay, now I'd like you to try this one. Is this graph a function? And then after you figure it out, restart the video. Okay, now we have this pencil, and we see that no matter where we move the pencil, it only touches once, so this graph passes the vertical line test. I hope this video has been helpful to you.